Today, January 7th, I'll show you how to unlock your AT&T iPhone X for use on T-Mobile or any other network. Let me show you here. I'm running 11.2 and the rsim 12 does work on this. So first thing you want to do is create a new contact with the phone number listed above. Star 5005 star 7672 star 00 pound. Save that as a contact, because we're going to need to go into that once we enter emergency mode. With most other phones, once you go into emergency mode, you can just press the home button. Since the iPhone X doesn't have a home button, we got to find a way around that. And this way works the best, I think. And put in the rsim. The rsim's not too tricky. You just have to line it up correctly. You can see where the cut is and you just follow that line. Try to put on I'd say actually the hardest part about putting the SIM card on is trying to make it as flat as possible, because you're going to want it as flat as possible when you put in the SIM card in. That way then it goes in smoothly. As soon as you put in the rsim, it's going to show this screen. This screen pops up. Go into Emergency SOS, go into Contacts, select that contact, and then go all the way to the bottom to edit ICCID. Once we're there, we're going to put in this long number 8901 000 000 000 001F. F as in Frank. This is the current ICCID number that we need as of January 7th. And then go down to accept, and we're going to power it down and restart. Once your phone restarts, you should be good to go. It's going to go through all the setup screens. You can do this at a later point. I don't need to set this up right now since I'm just making this for a video. But after you do that, even if you power off your phone, you restart it, you're never going to have to put in that code again. Unless Apple servers change something. And the best way is to check on the official website. Not Apple's website, but this rsim website is rsim5.com. They'll show any new updates, and you just do the same procedure again by going into the ICCID. But as you can see here, I'm making a call successfully. Able to browse the internet. There's no problems, and this seems stable as of January 7th. Like I said, if this code is no longer working, you're going to want to check that website, rsim5.com. I'll have it in the description. Anyways, I hope this video helps everybody out. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. The video does play pretty fast, so in the description I have links and I have the whole tutorial written out. Like I said, it works as of January 7th, and this might change, and if it does change, you can use the same procedure to, with the contacts, since you don't have a home button, but you would just need to change that ICCF number.